Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Toyota Corolla 2006 model. This car have a problem. uh, See, meter sometimes working, sometimes not working. That's the problem. In this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. Why your car meter not working, sometimes see working, sometimes not working. So first of all you have to check cluster. Sometimes meter have damage, but in this car I already check cluster, remove, and motherboard and everything, capacitor, all I check, everything is perfect. Okay, and then I find out, and when a meter sound came, or all gauge are off, that time one sound came here inside this relay. Okay, so what I find out, I'll show you. Take a second. Here you can see this wire, there is some loose connection. See, this is not fixed properly. That's the issue, and that's why this happened. Meter and all body controller off. See, when I remove this wire, see inside this cluster, all meter off. Okay, so fix it properly, finish. That's the issue. That's why your meter not working. Sometimes loose connection. I don't know who removed this wire before. They did not fix it properly. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.